What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Letta Jean, and I am back. And today I'm going to be unboxing an AeroGarden Bounty Basic. So, before I get started, let me tell y'all in advance, it's going to be a lot of noise in the background. I'm living my life. I got family, kids, like that. So, what is an AeroGarden Bounty Basic? It is an in-home gardening system and it runs completely on water. There is a filtration system that goes on and off every 11 hours to allow the water to filter through the system. And you can grow your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers. This system comes with gourmet herbs and it has 9 pods in it. You get the quick setup guide, a couple of recipes, and a trellis system. This is the LED grow light. It is 30 watts. The light post, it has a USB on both ends. This is a trellis. Then the remaining parts are the base, the bowl, and the grow deck. The grow deck has 9 holes and a space for you to fill your bowl with water. And that's also where you'll be putting in the plant food. This is the grow deck with the filter and the little plug on the back. So it has the refill line and the filtration system for the water the bowl. And finally, this is the base. Don't worry, my husband's making smoothies in the background. This is the control panel, and this is also where you will be adjusting your garden settings. So let's set this thing up, y'all. And we're going to start with step 1. Insert post into base, making sure it faces the front until the line is level with the base. The post extends out 24 inches to allow your plants to grow pretty tall. Insert hood into post until the mark line is covered by the LED grow light. Before I move on to step 2, I'm putting the bowl and the grow deck back on the base. And my husband is putting oatmeal pies in the smoothie. I ain't gonna lie, it was bussin', period. I love him. Okay, this is what we have so far. On to step 3. Yeah, that part. Plug, pump, and power cord into base. This is the pump cord, and this is your adapter, and that is your power outlet. We're gonna use this cord. Don't worry, the cord that comes with it is very long, so Thank you, AeroGarden, for making a long cord so we don't have to try to figure out how to get stuff plugged in. And we have power. Now that we have established power, our next step is to touch the quick plant button on the screen, and you're going to just follow the instructions. Don't touch the screen like I did. Use the buttons to the left and to the right of the screen. You're going to see me touch the screen a couple of times because, yeah, I'm going to get used to it, okay? Once you hit that quick plant button, you're going to see a couple of options for herbs, lettuce, tomatoes, and then you're going to have the option for peppers. And there's also flowers and a custom option, which is what I'm going with because I'm going to be planting multiple things. Now it's time to fill with water. So I'm using the 1 liter Evian bottles. I think it took me like 5 bottles to fill this to fill it up to the fill line. So we're at 2 so far. That's a 2. And this is a 3. A 3. Like the count, count. Yeah, no, Sesame Street. Okay, don't worry about it. 4. This is the 4th one. I think. I probably lost count. But if you're continuing to count along, let me know in the comments how many bottles of water I used. Now we have our system set up and it's time for the good part. I decided to go with a few things to create some salads. So I did heirloom salad greens, heirloom cherry tomatoes, and a gourmet herb variety. And here is Genovese basil, Thai basil, dill, thyme, curly parsley. Next I have heirloom salad greens. Then we're going to unbox these. We have Paris Island, and I've never heard of these before, so we're going to find out what they all taste like. Marvel of 4 Seasons. These must be lettuces from heaven. Rouge de Heaven. If I know I said that wrong. And Black Seeded Simpson. I think there's one more in here. Yes, deer tongue. Yeah, and these are the ones we're going to be planting. Because I have 9 pods, I'm just going to be using like 3 out of each box. This is the liquid plant food. It comes with each box that you get. So you are never going to run out of this stuff, okay? If you're going to be filling your whole system up, follow the instructions. For this one, I'm going to need 2 capfuls. Next, I'm going into the gourmet herbs. And I'm putting those in gently. You don't need to use a lot of force. They just drop in nice and neat. I found a little mint. And this last one is heirloom cherry tomatoes. And I just want y'all to listen in with me on this one, okay? So y'all saw me open heirloom tomatoes, and about 5 of the pods were curly parsley. So I ran over with curly parsley, and I only have one. There's only one in here, and there's 5 curly parsleys. Are you kidding me? AeroGarden. Somebody messed up in the warehouse, or somebody messed up. I got a bunch of parsley and no tomatoes. Heirloom cherry tomato seed pods. It's 5 parsleys in here and only 1 cherry.
From what you bought or what they sent you?
From what I bought. It was wrapped and sealed up though, so I don't.
Wow.
They must have just did it wrong.
So that's the only one? You only got 1 tomato?
Yes, 1 tomato, and the rest of them were curly parsley.
So you didn't order no tomato?
I did order tomato.
So you got them?
Yeah, they on the way.
But you just, they just messed up
on this one. Now I'm adding the grow domes. You place these on top of each pod until they begin to sprout. Let me see, I'm reading from the book. It says, remove the grow domes before seedlings begin touching the dome. At that point, their job is done. Recycle or save for later. I'm just going to read a couple more things from the tips. It says that water quality does matter. Municipal tap water works well in most areas, but if you have really hard water or softened water, consider mixing bottled distilled water 50-50 at first with your tap water for the best results. So here we have the finished product. I have all of my pods loaded. Some of them say that they will sprout within 4 to 8 days. I will be doing an update and let you guys know how things turn out. Thanks for watching. I love y'all.